Hey everyone, got a beautiful fall day here. I have an old roof, and well, if you want to make the roof last a lot longer, you got to get up here and take a look around, see what items may be needing fixed. And since I have old barn boards on my roof, rough cut lumber, a lot of times somehow the nails just drive up through. So what I do is occasionally I come up here, find some nails that pop through, and fix them. And that's what we're going to do right now. Well, here's the first nail that popped through. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pry it up, pull the nail out, put some roofing cement, not only on the tin, that's just an old piece of scrap aluminum fascia I had laying around. Put a little roofing cement there, slide it under, push it down, and it's good to go. Because right now, when the water comes down, it can't get in because it's going to flow over top. Now this one here, I got a little lazy. I'm going to try putting it on top. Usually this only works for about a year or so. I'll find out next year when I go and inspect the roof again. Okay, here's one here that I'm actually going to, oh, yeah, these are an old brittle one. The roof is getting old. I'm going to have to replace it here at some point, but I'm going to stretch it out as many years as I can because I have no ambition to get up there and strip all the roofing material off and put new roofing on. So that one there is fixed and good to go. This one here, you know what? I'm just going to take and I'm going to pound it back in, the nail. This is not the way I like to do it, because a lot of times the nail is going to pop right back through again. Somehow the boards push it up. I don't know how, but they just do. Of course, each one that I lift up and do that to, I actually put a piece of tin on it. And what that's going to do is, like I said, the water will flow right over top. Now, I had quite a few holes here. And you're going to see I'm just going through and patch and patch and patch and patch. Hey, if you liked what you've seen on this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And at the end of the video, you know, I got the animals that are going to eat. And I think my next video, I'm going to show you how I super insulated this house. So keep a watch out for that, because I've got a couple more videos in the pipeline. I got how I super insulated my house, and also remodeled my bathroom, and a couple other things in the works. So keep a lookout for them. And hey, if you have any ideas of what else you'd like to see, put it in the comments if you wanted to. So anyways, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and make sure you see the skunk eat at the very end. Okay, guys, it's almost time for the music. Here we go.